Hey everybody, welcome to our channel, The Plumbing Gurus. On this channel, we're striving to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. On this video, this is on-site edition. This video, I'm going to show you guys how to knock out a toilet flange. This one is a solid plastic flange, and it has a solid plastic piece inside the center of the flange. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys how this is done. I started this and I was like, you know what, Carson, this would be a great video. We had a contractor call us and he's like, hey, I'm trying to set my toilet. And can you kind of walk me through it? So I walked him through it, and he ran into this problem. He says, well, I don't know what to do here with this flange. How do I knock this out? So I was trying to explain to him, and he was all like, I don't know if this is how we're supposed to do it. I'm like, trust me, this is how we do it. I've done hundreds and hundreds of these. So I already got it started, but what I like to use is, you can either use a flathead. I have this little bar here that works really well. It's got a little steel plate on this side where I can hammer onto it. It's not recommended that you use like a plastic screwdriver because the plastic might shatter. And this one has just kind of like a crowbar kind of angle to it, which is really nice, and you'll see why I like to use it. So what we do here, if you look in the flange here in the center, this piece here, I'll grab my marker. So this piece right here, this is what we want to knock out. So we don't want to knock any of this out here. This is where the 3-inch pipe is underneath. From here to here is all open underneath. So we want to knock this out. The other nice reason why I like to use the angled one is because I'm not going to be hammering it straight down into the pipe. This will force the flat end of this here towards the center, which is going to be away from the pipe. So let me show you how that's done here. So I'll just start it kind of aiming down. Aiming down a little, and then I'll force it to the center. And just wiggle it, and you just do that all the way around. And as I'm doing it, I'm just applying a little bit of pressure to loosen that joint up. You can see it's starting to get loose now. And now, once I've got it to this part here, I'll just push on it just like this. You can grab your hammer, just slide your hammer underneath here. You don't want to drop this down the pipe, so you want to be kind of really careful and just go really slow. Just get it so that it's just got a little bit on it, just like that. Okay, and then we'll grab a pair of pliers. Right here, grab it, hold it nice and tight, and then just pull it up and twist at the same time. Just like that. Now we've got it out. Now you can look inside the hole here. Sometimes you'll see a little bit of imperfections here. So what I'll do is I'll just knock those out. Just like that, to make sure it's nice and smooth. So the other reason why we like to use why I like to use a wax seal with a horn is because the horn of the wax, I'll show you guys. So the horn, because you know when you're flushing toilet paper down, it will get caught on plastics, sharp edges kind of things. So this here could be a place where toilet paper could get caught, which is right here. So when I put this horn on here, you can see inside, when I center it, if you look right inside, now it's got all a smooth edge for everything to flow right down from the toilet. Perfect. That's our video. If you guys got any comments, or if you guys do it a little differently, I'd love to hear what you guys got to say. Let me know. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And again, thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.